The next section that is very important as well, and we want to go through right now, is the clipboard. So this is basically what we have had in the other software of Microsoft Office. So these are the commands that we had: cut, copy, paste, and format painter. Using cut and copy, you will be able to either cut or copy the cells that you have. So here we have cells, not text, not anything like that. We have cells. And for example, I copy this specific cell or a set of cells. So I choose these two rows, for example, of my table, and I copy them. And I come over here, I click, and then I will be able to paste. And we have plenty of pasting options, as you see. We have paste, we have formulas, which is about when we are copying and pasting formulas. So what are formulas? You are going to know them in this very lesson that we are in. Just wait for them. But this is about pasting them. We have keep source formatting. We have no borders, keep source column widths, as you see, transpose. We have values. We have values and numbers formatting. And as you see, there are plenty of options that it provides us with. As you see, we even have pasting options for pictures and illustrations specifically. So this is paste. We also have format painter. So I want to write something over here. I say the Takeoff college. And I want this cell of mine look exactly like how this cell does. This name cell, for example. So all I need to do is that I need to first click this name, select it, and choose Format Painter, and then click and make a selection of my destination. And as you see, the Takeoff College will look exactly like this name cell does. And this is Format Painter inside Microsoft Excel. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.